How to sync pictures with sound on TikTok. Now, let's get started. First things first, let us open up our TikTok. So, after opening your TikTok, go to the plus icon on the bottom and tap on it. After you open it up, just select a video and photo from your gallery option that is on the right side of the capture picture button. So, here just select your multiple photos, and after you do that, make sure that you select a video too. So after you've done that, so for the time being, you have selected photos and videos. Now what you need to do is you need to tap on edit. Now after you tap on edit, you might want to remove your video. So let's delete this. And after you've done that, if you scroll down a bit here, you will see sound sync option. Tap on it. After you tap on it, your pictures will get synced with sound on your TikTok, and it's that simple, guys. Now, all you need to do is tap on next, and you can post or even keep in draft. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.